I think I find ultimate YouTube transcript and summarize video Google extension, Chrome extension. It's called Glasp, and it can do everything I want to do in an extension like this. Let me show you first. Here's the video. You can
Here in London, it is a bustling. Since 2000.
yeah, you can watch it, and yeah, think of that. You can watch 22 minutes long video, or you can open the summarize, open the transcript. After that, you can summarize this. To summary to this video, you need to click this icon, or you can click Command XX, and at Windows, you can Control XX. Let me show you that. Here we will see it takes the transcript, all of that, and start to summarize it. It makes it in 5 bullet points because uh, uh, we tell the extension to do it like that. And we got another extension from the same company, YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Cloud. I don't know the differences, but Glasp works well. Now let me take a quick look at its website. Here you can highlight PDFs and web also, but I'm not using that feature. Maybe later I will use it because note taking is a thing that I need to I want to master and try to back in. Nowadays you can export your highlights to note taken apps. That's very useful. Candle, keep track of progress. Okay. Yeah, this dude Kazuki is founder, and one other dude. Yeah, you can AI summary, YouTube summary, PDF summary, knowledge grab something, embed highlights, knowledge grab, download highlights. Okay, use cases. We can use it with Pocket, Obsidian, real nice. So you can summarize web pages. Pricing. I'm not sure about the pricing, but for individuals who learn in private, maybe your things to do in the app or extension itself is public, but I'm not sure about that. Yeah, $10 per month. And you get Notion daily auto sync export option as well. I'm not using that. Then yeah, that's your home or dashboard. You can see your highlight here. I highlight one of the things like that. You can pick a color. This is add a note. Create a code shot. Share on Twitter. Yeah, code shots is really great. Example, I select this area and here you are. It's ready to share code, And if I want to add a note, I simply click here or in public. That's Glasp Glasp main objective. Yeah, this is my note saved. And if we come here, can we see it? My highlights. Discover my highlights. Here's my note. Boys. Okay, where's my notes? Here? Yeah, there's highlights and notes. Price and clasp. Here's the site. We can tag. We can choose who. AI summary relevant ideas. Wait a second. AI summary. Is it? Yeah. I think that summary of the page that given really nice, and we can comment it. Yeah, and I want to say that it's very useful. It can be very useful if you use it correctly, maybe. Okay, finally, let's check the extension settings, and I think you should check it out. Yeah, this is your pop-up, its own theme. Okay, plain text or markdown. I don't know. I want to uh, switch to markdown in the future. You can choose your AI model. It's default at first. I choose GPT-4o, ChatGPT OpenAI.com. I don't know the difference. English. Prompt for summary. This is the summary of the following 5 bullet points. Yeah, this is the comment that goes with the GPT, and you can change it and make it whatever you want. What's key takeaways, extract the gist, summarize the following for a sixth grade audience. They are very helpful. And you can 3 follow-ups. Create a post about this. How can I apply lessons? What should I learn next? Really great. For longer videos, normally you can summarize videos up to 20 minutes in length. For longer videos, you can grasp the big picture, focus on the details or entire transcripts. This is the default and recommended. I'm go for that. Summary icon, I'm not sure. You need to enable shortcuts because it makes very easy. It's Control Command XX, and if you want to hide a text, that's Shift GG. Yeah, that's about it. I recommend this extension for whoever on the net, don't wanna spend so much time on the on the videos that brings information to you, and especially I like the transcript option, right? If I wanna take this video as transcript, show transcript, yeah, it's like that, and there's no way to extract that at least easily. But this gives us the transcript, and here jump to current time, copy transcript, plain text. It's really good. You can summarize it. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.